hear your name on this list, I want you to say present, sir, okay? Abdullah Aruwo Shola Folami Abbas, Ademilola Zanab Raji, say present, please. Shida Jekaobi Mata, Chika Miracle Okafo, Daniel Oluwole Akinola, Elizabeth Ibukolu Abari, Eniola Shalom Abe, Femi Mackinson Priscilla, Ayobi Depukwa, Anna Oluwafunke Omoyajo, Endris Obasuyi, Ibrahim Olasukome Adeyemi, Iroluwa Donka Sonji, Motorayo Fashiki, Mubarak Tuyoze Adenle Busari, Mohamed Arowo Shafe Abbas, Nnadika Steven, Oguntimeyi Joshua Eniola, Okusin Rido Okoyemi, Omolara Victoria Ogunsanwo, Osasumwe Beki Omorodion, Reliance Adeshola Adegunloye, Richmond Ekene Ejun, Solomon Olarewaju Omoya Jowo, Susanna Eniola Jehu. Now, this name you've heard are the names of people that have just been selected in the newly or recently concluded PEC-G and PEC-PLE, okay? You will recall 3 months ago, I made a video about the opportunity that can allow you to come to Brazil to do any program of your choice. You know, you have the opportunity to pick the school you want to go. I mean, you can actually go, you are going to pick like 2 schools actually. You will pick the school, the course you are interested in, and you will submit. Now, look, so many people are even coming from China. Look at this guy, Yubing Huang. He's coming to do economics. So, guys, I'm wishing all of you that just got the opportunity, I'm wishing you a huge congratulations. And these schools, these guys are picked in very good schools. IFP is in São Paulo, UNESP in São Paulo, UFT is in the north, GF is in Rio de Janeiro, Ribeirão Preto is in São Paulo, UFC I think is in another school, GP, okay. UFS is in Bahia, UFMG is in Minas Gerais, UFU is in Minas Gerais também, UFRG is in Rio de Janeiro. This one is in Rio de Janeiro, Grande do Norte. This one is in Espírito Santo. My friend, someone is coming to your school. Congratulations. So guys, I'm wishing you congratulations once again, but something breaks my heart, right? I'm actually nostalgic as I'm reading these names. You know, last year 46 or thereabout people got the opportunity, but do you know what? Majority of them did not come. Right now you can see what happened. The lists of the people that are given this opportunity this year has been reduced to 24. I remember vividly when I was making this video, I read the instruction and I understood what they said. They said that it says that there's not going to be a quota. That is, they're going to be given, the admission will be given to people based on, you know, how they apply and how suitable they, you know. So it baffles me to see that the names of Nigerians on this list has actually reduced. Something comes to my mind. One, it could be that because so many people that got it last year didn't eventually come. Two, it could be that so many people did not really apply. And this is one of the reasons I usually tell people, when you see opportunity on this channel, even though if you are not the one that is interested, share it with someone that might be interested. Just tell like someone you know, a friend, a colleague, you know, a neighbor, share it with them, tell them to, they can send it to someone. You can post it on a group, you know, post the video on any group that you belong to, let people see it so that they can share the opportunity. We are not hoarding opportunity on this channel, so as I see them, I make videos so that people can benefit from it, right? So having said that, those of you that got the opportunity, I'm wishing you congratulations. And this is one advice I'm going to give to you: start preparing for how you get the visa. Very soon, maybe the consulate is going to reach out to you guys. I'm not sure, but one way or the other, how you get the admission is going to be communicated to you. Immediately you get the admission, start making move about the visa. Do you know why? If you get the visa on time, most of these schools are going to be resuming first semester, which is most likely going to be around, let's say, March of next year. But if you can get your visa very quick, you'll be able to book your flight ahead, thereby saving yourself a lot of cost, right? And if you need someone that can guide you in how to do all of these things, that is where I come in. You know, I usually tell people that my joy is knowing that you get to Brazil itself. So it's not about making the video alone. So If you need someone that can also help you, guide you, help you to do all the process, so that you just relax, even welcome you in Brazil, help you to work, help you to rent accommodation, you can reach out to me. Send me message on TikTok or on Instagram, okay? Not on email. On TikTok or Instagram, I'll be swift to respond to your message. Again, guys, I'm wishing you congratulations. If you want to rent an apartment in Brazil, if you want airport pickup, all of that, we can help you to arrange it so that you can get to Brazil seamless without stress. Look, with this opportunity, you can actually bring your dependents. I have a friend that got it last year, and our family, they are on the way of she has gotten the visa. I know my friend, it's possible this person is watching this video right now. I'm sorry, thank God I'm not mentioning your name, but I'm just trying to let people know that this is what is possible, right? So if you have a dependent and you got this opportunity, you can also bring those dependents under this opportunity, right? So all of these are what you have access to. So again, guys, I'm wishing you congratulations. This is just the preliminary result anyways, but in as much as you are seeing your name here, just know that you have been selected. Maybe the worst that can happen is for them to change your school, maybe from Rio de Janeiro, and they take you to São Paulo. But just know that that is the worst that can happen. Something bad is not going to happen, right? The worst that can happen is maybe they change your school. So only maybe the person is having some village people that is following. Otherwise, once you have seen your name on the preliminary shortlist, just know that you are good to go, right? So just go and price the bag. If you don't have, go and start buying one or two things. Go and start making inquiries. If you want information on how to strategically move with this opportunity, you can also reach out to me. I'm going to break everything down, and I can also connect with someone that is in the city where you are going to, right? So having said that, again, congratulations, guys. Share this opportunity to someone so that those people that apply, they will get to know about it. Many opportunities are coming, and I'm going to be sharing them on this channel. I will see you in the next video. Atemize. Ciao, ciao.